welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. We have just a review, okay, on the Thameen, and this is Blue Heart, okay? This has been on my wish list for quite a time. This is my first Thameen brand, Thameen London, Thameen, believe that's how it is, Thameen London. This is my first purchase from this house, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get into it with you all. So you all know how we do here. Let's start with versatility. Now, do I think this is versatile? Not really. Not really. I don't think I would wear this like just like a Netflix and chill, like just I'm chilling in the house. This wouldn't be a house. Like I would have to be out, maybe at work, maybe maybe I'm on vacation, maybe I had to go somewhere. This is definitely a outdoors type of fragrance. I couldn't see myself just chilling, cozy, comfy, cool. I don't see that for this fragrance. But again, that's my opinion, but definitely versatile, no, and the occasion would definitely be outside. Next up, packaging. I actually like the packaging. It's cute. It's blue. So all my, but the Zetas out there. I'm not a Zeta. That's what I said. Not mine, but the Zetas out there. Like you would like this. It's blue. If your favorite color is blue, then I love this blue. Like it's definitely like sapphire blue. It gives me that. So I don't mind the packaging. It definitely is very beautiful. I love that you can see your juice inside because you can see what kind of dents you're putting in. So, and it's compact. It's compact and cute. So I do like the packaging. I don't mind this at all. Now, price. I feel like I paid about maybe $2 something. In the late ones something. I can't remember the actual price, but I got it on Soul Avant-Garde when AI the Great was having her sale. So I did get a discount off of it. I just can't remember off the top of my head what it was. But looking on Joma Shop, it looks like you can get this fragrance at $136.99. So if you're interested, that is a really good price for this type of juice, I will say. So yeah, check it out. If you like shopping on Joma Shop, definitely check out the $136 and get yourself a great deal, especially for February. Come on, season of love. Now, do I think this is more feminine, masculine? Does it lean one way or the other? I honestly think this is a really good unisex type of fragrance. I can see a male wearing this, and I can definitely see a female wearing this. I can see both, right? Very unisex type of fragrance. Now, this fragrance was launched in 2022, so I am definitely late, but on time. Again, it's been on my wish list for quite a while, but let's get into the notes. So notes, we have saffron coconut, orris vanilla tonka bean. We have white musk, cypriol oil, and amber, okay? So we got all of the things out the way. Let me tell you all my full thoughts on this Blue Heart Thameen fragrance. Now, I will say this fragrance definitely gave me the ghost-like experience, okay? And what I mean by that is I spray you, I smell you, but after a while, I don't smell you, but others around me smell me. And I got compliments on this fragrance, and I did not think I was going to get any compliments on this fragrance because I could not smell it. Like after a while, maybe it was my nose went blind, but others smelt it on me, but I could not smell this fragrance. Now, I will say this fragrance was not at all what I expected it to be, okay? I love a good coconut. You know, I love a good coconut. I love a good saffron, gives me sexiness. I love all those things. But this also, that vanilla, it gave me a powdery smell, but that coconut definitely did not play into this cutesy girl coconut. It wasn't nothing cutesy about this. This was a very dominant coconut. This was a very woman hear me roar coconut type of fragrance, okay? I would absolutely get this in a travel size. Okay, like test it before you buy it because I don't think this would be everybody's jam. I can't see everybody vibing with this fragrance. And again, after a while, my nose went blind to this. But my coworker, who is also into fragrances, she was like, "Oh my goodness, you smell so good." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, okay, let me notate that." So you do get compliments. Now, this is not a Netflix and chill, like a easy reach, easy grab and go for, like, to me it's not that. It's definitely an outdoors, like a date night. I don't even know about a date day, but definitely nighttime event, something to that nature. This is not what you think it's going to be, in my opinion, okay? Not to say it's not good. It's good, but would I be reaching for this every hour of the day? No. Was I like, "Oh my God, it's the best thing I've ever smelled in my life"? No. To me, this gave me okay. Like, it's not like bad where I'm like, "Oh, never. I'm never going to wear that again." It's not one of those, but it's like, it's okay. It was very confusing for me at one point, but I think with the saffron in that, it kind of brought it back for me like, okay, all right, hear me roar. Like then it was like, "Oh, take me there. I want to go." Like my personality changed. Well, it always changed. But anyway, my personality did a little, 360 because I was like, at first I was like, "No, I like it." And then I was like, "Oh, okay." It was one of those. So I will definitely say get your nose on this. I was recommended some other Thameen fragrances that I want to get my nose on. Abby Would Love has a favorite as well. So I need to get my nose on this house a little bit more to see if any of them will come into the wardrobe, right? Into the collection. But I will say I will have to test before just purchasing a full bottle. Now, this again has been on my wish list for so long. But I probably definitely would not blind buy this fragrance, even though it was on my wish list and I blind bought this. I would definitely not recommend because it's not going to be everybody's jam. I do like it. I don't find a love in it, but it would definitely be for a particular event, a particular season. Definitely this season of fall and winter. I don't really see me wearing this definitely not in the summer. Maybe in the spring, I'll try it and see what happens. But summer, I think it would be too hot. I live down south. Like I feel like this would be too hot for our summers. I feel like spring, okay, but summer, no go. Okay. Well, that's all. I don't have really much to say about Blue Heart. I'll come back if I have any additional thoughts. We might chat it up in the Amber's Corner if I come up with any additional thoughts. I love the magnetic, I cannot talk, the magnetic top. I love that about, like, this is so, and it's strong. I love that about this packaging. But I will have to get into this house more, come back with more thoughts, more sample thoughts on this house. But let me know your favorites. I would love to know what fragrance from this house do you enjoy and love and that you say, I need to try, okay? because I will add it to the cart. It will be a sample to the cart. But that's all, family. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.